Hi, and thank you so much for clicking this video. If you're new to this channel, my name is Emily and I have a huge passion for makeup and skincare. And for today's video, I wanted to create a really warm and coral makeup look that I think is perfect for spring and summer. And for me personally, any makeup looks with corals or oranges in it I really love because I feel like it makes my blue eyes pop a lot. And so this is one of my favorite eye looks to do, not necessarily with this palette, but just with this style and these colors. And so I really love how it turned out and I really hope that you did too. I just want to give a really quick thank you to everyone who's been supporting me lately. I recently hit 50 subscribers, which means a lot to me, and it just means a lot that everyone's been supporting and liking and watching my videos. And so if you guys have been doing that, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed already, make sure to subscribe down below so you can join the family. I also wanted to give a quick shout out to my cousin Amy from the Self Love Mama because she's been absolutely kicking it lately. Not only has she surpassed 500 subscribers a little bit ago, and every time I check she just keeps growing, but she actually recently just came out with her own merch line and I'm just so proud of her. She came out with a couple different teas and I'm currently saving up for the badass one because that one's my favorite, but I'll definitely make sure to link her channel down below in the description bar, and please go over and show your support to her because I think it's so cool that she came out with her own merch line and she's been working really hard on it and it's just so awesome. So please go over, check her out, and give her support. Now without further ado, if you guys like this makeup look, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and let's jump into the tutorial. So I'm first going to start off by priming my lids, and like always I'm going to be using my MAC Soft Ochre paint pot. I'm then going to go ahead and set my primer with translucent powder. So for my eyes today, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette, and this is a really beautiful palette that has 9 beautiful shades that are all coral themed. I do have a couple other palettes in this theme. Actually, they have like a royal blue one and a bright colored one, but I personally love this coral one the best, and that's why I picked it up, and that's what I'm going to be using today. So I'm first going to go into this really light brown here in the middle, and I'm just going to lightly blend that into my crease. I'm not going to build up a lot of this color, I'm just more trying to enhance the crease with a little bit of depth. I'm going to take that same brush and go into the lightest coral of this palette and start blending that into the crease as well as a little bit into the outer corner. I'm then going to take a smaller blending brush and take the medium coral in this palette and then put it in the same area to just start to darken that up. Now to really bump up the color and the depth on my eye look, I'm going to be going into the darkest coral color in this palette and be putting that on the outer corner as well as the crease. So I'm going to be doing something a little bit different today to create a tacky base for my shimmer shadow. I'm going to be taking the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk and then putting that down first and then putting the shimmer shadow on top. So I'm first going to be taking a tiny brush and picking up some of this product and placing it down where I want my shimmer shade, and then I'm going to be going into this beautiful shimmery fiery color at the bottom of the palette and putting that on top. And then like always, I'm just going to pick up some of the pigment, wet it, and then place it down on top because I really feel like it helps make a difference in the pigment and shine. Okay, so now that the top of my eyes are all done, I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my face and I'll be right back for my lower lash line. Okay, so I'm back from doing the rest of my makeup, and for my lower lash line, I'm first going to start off by taking the darkest coral in the palette and smudging that on the outer third of the lower lash line. I'm then going to take the lightest coral in the palette and then smudge that all out. Next, I'm going to be going into Champagne Pop, which is the same highlighter that I used on my face, and I'm going to be going in and highlighting my brow bone and inner corner. I'm then going to apply my mascara, and like always, I'm going to be using the Pixie Double Brush Mascara. Then for my lips, I'm first going to be going in with the MAC Satin Lipstick in Faux. Then to help the lips tie in with the eyes, I'm going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty Lip Gloss in Bilingual. And here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I really hope you enjoy it. Thank you again to everyone who's been supporting me lately. I really appreciate it. And also don't forget to go over and support Amy's channel as well as check out her merch line. Also make sure to leave a comment down below of any type of videos that you'd like to see me create. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't joined the family already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.